Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This side Priyanshi, and today in this video we are going to talk about the top 5 IIT JEE coaching institutes. So this video will gonna help the IIT JEE aspirants. Rank 1 goes to toppersacademy.app. If I talk about this coaching, then it is one of the best leading platform for the top notch preparation of the IIT JEE exam in India. Being in the education industry for 20 years, it has now come live during the pandemic with an aim to cater to the requirements of engineering and medical aspirants in India. Toppers Academy app has the best faculties who have the high knowledge, the high experience, years of experience in teaching, and are of best quality. Toppers Academy app has aced its reputation by putting efforts in the top domain exam field, giving unmatched results of thousands of students, and made them possible and responsible citizens of India and helped them to crack their exam. Rank second goes to Gyanach.com. If I talk about Gyanach.com, then this platform is also the very good platform for IIT JEE preparation in India. The top-notch online preparation strategies are the students are provided to bring the best result each year to be highlighted in the competition. Gyanach.com promises to create the best rated engineers and doctors to serve the nation. The training methodologies and adaptive teaching module help students to get through the entire syllabus with regular practice sessions. Rank 3 goes to the Hindu Zone. So the Hindu Zone is basically a career guidance platform. The Hindu Zone has emerged as a viable alternative for students as it is both affordable as well as unconventional in the sense that it combines online teaching with mentoring students by attending to their queries, apprehensions and anxieties, and that is why it is the best career guiding platform. Not only does the Hindu Zone teachers and trainers conduct classes, they take a personal interest in quelling students' exam fear and making them feel at ease prior to exam. Rank 4 goes to Akash Institute. It is a very famous institute and a well known institute known for its quality of education they provide for both NEET and IIT JEE exam, and that is why it is ranked 4th in the list of best IIT JEE coaching institutes for IIT JEE preparation. If I talk about this coaching, then this coaching is highly famous because of their name and fame and of their result. Toppers are highly backed from this institute. The teachers of this institute are highly qualified, knowledgeable, and have years of experience serving the IIT JEE aspirants and helping the aspirants to crack their exam by providing the best quality of education at affordable rate. Last but not the least, rank 5th goes to Ellen Career Institute. At Ellen Career Institute, best IIT JEE coaching in India, we specialize in building a robust foundation of data and ideas in students for their success and supply a student a super platform for the preparation of competitive exams. For both NEET and IIT JEE exam, you will get the best quality of education here at the Ellen Institute. The faculty, the study material, all the facilities are available for you here.